Hi, today we are going to be taking on unboxing review and a test of E-CiRCUiT Blue micro USB cable. Now this one's supposed to light up and have different little things going on with it. Like I said, it glows and changes color. I don't know if it goes through the whole different colors of the rainbow or, LED color rainbow. I'm pretty sure it's just going to glow like a bluish type color. Well, not even a true bluish color, but kind of like if you have like anything that's got like light pipe in, like I don't know, Transformers and perhaps some Gundams. Then you shine light through the back of it on certain translucent parts and glows, and kind of lights up and somewhat similar to the color of the plastic. It's probably going to do that. When I picked it up at Dollar Store, and I know you're probably saying, dude, Dollar Store electronic, it's not going to work. Well, you know what? Some Dollar Store electronics are hit and miss. Some, they're a bit hit, they work. And you only pay $1, so you save tons of money. Others, yeah, they are definitely a mistake. Yeah, you are out that dollar, bud. You're out that dollar. Like, for example, I had like a little speaker that you just put into like, your phone to make it sound louder, and it was kind of a hit and miss. I mean, what was the miss of it? It didn't work. I unscrewed the two little screws in there, opened up, and apparently someone didn't solder the wires together. Now, if the wires were soldered together, it would have been, a bit hit, and it would have worked. But yeah, but but usually whenever I go and buy USB cables for various things, like for my vape bin, for the little like pod system, yeah, it'd be better if I just show you. Like with this, Aspire Breeze 2, because it doesn't have an 18650 or a 2700 battery. You just gotta charge up for the USB port. These work perfectly for it. For my cell phone here, it works perfectly. For PS4 controllers, you can charge up a PS4 controller because they're using the same USB as the cell phone, the Aspire Breeze 2 pod system. So yeah, I mean, usually whenever I buy USB cables from Dollar Store, they always are a hit. They always work. Because I've seen them at like other places, Walmart, Target, Jules, Myers, and they're charging like a basic one's about maybe $10 or more for just a basic one, and then you have super long ones, and we're talking about like the short little mini like 3-inch type of cables. And if you go on beyond that, like 6-foot cables, 9-foot cables, longer cables, bladed cables and stuff, and yeah, it gets pretty pricey. I saw one that, I kid you not, it was like $60. I was like, are you effing kidding me? $60 for just about the same exact thing that I got here for $1. It didn't say, oh, it's using like gold-plated pins on there. It's diamond encrusted. It has every single YouTuber signed signature on there from like the gaming world and stuff. YouTube Gaming and Elite. It's like, flat cord and not wound. It's bladed. No, it's just a regular USB cable. $60. I was like, nope, that's why. Dollar, yep, and they work. How long did it last? Well, with my stuff, it gets heavy use, like EDC, like everyday carry almost. So, they don't last, obviously, you should know every single carrier doesn't last a freaking lifetime. They do, wear out, just like, if you wore a pair of shoes, the shoes are going to wear out, They do wear out. But, for $1, a lot cheaper than paying like $60 for one. Or, a basic one for like at least $12 to $15. Which is going to wear out the same amount of time. Same lifetime as, one from the dollar store. But the difference is, I could buy like $12 store ones. Or one from like any other name brand store. And the lifespan is going to be the same. Only difference is, I'm going to have one that's going to wear out. Or I could have 12 and, have one and another 11 in reserve. But I know a lot of you's like, okay, show us this cable. Yeah, I just want to tell you, when you hear things from a dollar store, use your electronics store hit. You know, on cables. Cables only. Anything else like flashlights, you know, little speakers to put into like phones and stuff, those are a mess. But if you're looking for a good USB cable, dollar store, the cable's always going to be hit. Now I have noticed something different between wound cables and flatline cables. Flatline cables, if you didn't know what they are, which I kind of have a little mini one here, are ones like this, where as you can clearly see they are flat. So flatline cables, they charge your devices a lot faster, and they seem that they don't wear out, you know, with the bending and crinkling as much as wound line cables. So yeah. But the specs on it says micro USB, so it's like a mini type A, I think, or mini type B. I can't quite remember. Anyway, you know, it's the one that you could use with pretty much power banks, power blocks, in USB ports, you know, anything like that. So here's the claim: high speed charging and data transfer. And if you want to know, let's see if we can get this to zoom in here. Come on. There, it's 2.1 amps. So 2.1 amps is what's going in. It's 39.7 inches or 100 centimeters. I don't know, I'm not Canadian, so I don't use, you know, the measure system. I think that's centimeters and not cubic meters. I'm pretty sure that is centimeters. But yeah, right there. Now from the back, just, you know, the little barcode pretty much. So let's open it up, take a look at it, and see for $1, does it work or does it not work? If I could undo the twist tie. Okay. Yeah, I know the hardest problem on here for me is the twist tie. Because you think that they put wire here, and if you bend it down, the wire's actually down there. So, yeah. And when they tied it up, you really got nothing to grip on it. Because they cut it way too short on the twist tie. I mean, you got a pretty decent length of cable here. So the cable length is pretty decent, I would say. For about, I don't know, 39.37 inches. So, you do have that. And just to show you that, you know, it does work and everything, let's use a power bank. I think this one I charged up. Yeah, see? It's lighting up. Now, oh! It is changed in multiple colors. Like I said, it's glows and change colors. I thought that it was just going to glow like a blue color, which on camera you're now seeing it as a purplish violet color. But trust me, in the off camera it is a blue. This is, you know, green. Now it's going back to a blue color over here, which on camera now looks like a white. When it goes truly blue, on camera it shows a white. I don't know why, but cameras, they don't fluctuate, you know, between blue light and, you know, pink light and purple light and stuff. But yeah, so you can see power's going through it. It obviously works. And then just to prove you it's the phone, phone turned on when I put it in, and as you can, I don't know if you can see it that great on here. Let me try to tap this thing. Come on. There we go. But the little power charging thing was on there, so it is charging. It's giving power to the phone. You know, power's coming out for the power bank and going and flowing through. You know, at a 2.1 amps through the cable. So, you know, for $1, if you're in a pinch, it's going to work. It's going to charge your phone. You know. Why would you might want to need this? Well, you know, maybe you're on vacation and you lost your cable to your phone and you can't charge your phone. Although, I will tell you this. If you have an iPhone, dollar store, you're not going to find really a cable for an iPhone. maybe a Samsung Galaxy S, whatever they are on now, number Note. Yeah, if you're gonna have like a little Android phone or a QuickTouch phone, you know, yeah, it's gonna be like for those type of things. But iPhones, you're out of luck because Dulles doesn't sell any cables for iPhones because they don't sell, you know, Lightning cables. They just sell, you know, regular USB cables like these. But I mean, it's a great thing to pat. Like, if you know you're going on vacation somewhere, I would say, you know, like maybe a week or two before you actually have your base finally packed to go on vacation, stop off at a dollar store, go down to Little Trial, and put like maybe 2 or 3 packs of these, and fill one like maybe a suitcase, maybe 2 in one suitcase and another in maybe your carry-on suitcase. Because, you know, you might have your original phone cord that came with your phone, but guess what? You're on vacation, you lost it. You may have your power brick, but you don't know what happened to your cable, the little cord to power up. Just go in your suitcase or your carry-on and another cable and your phone's charged. Yay! Simple as that. And, you know, if you lost it, this one, you only have $1 plus, you know, whatever sales tax is. But yeah, you know, pretty much, definitely every single cable that I had bought from, you know, the dollar store, which, like I said, dollar store only sells these types. They don't sell Lightning cables for iPhones. But yeah, every type of, you know, weather cable like these that I bought from the dollar store, they were awesome. I bought weather ones. I bought these light ones. I bought flatline ones. They do not sell bladed ones there, unfortunately, but they all were fantastic. So if you're wondering, electronics from the dollar store, cables, 100%, they're legit. They're going to work. Flashlights and, you know, anything else, like little portable auxiliary mini type speakers, no. But yeah, that's been the unboxing and review of the E-CiRCUiT Blue MiCRO USB cable. Remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and leave a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.